Hey folks, thanks for coming by. We're gonna decorate the fireplace for summer. Glad you could come. Right here on my take on Home and Garden. Alrighty, folks, we're gonna jump right in. We gotta make it nice and we gotta make it different, right? So what are we using for summer? I think I touched on it a little bit. Yellow is a biggie. We need light and bright because that's what's going on in nature, like I talk with the other seasons. So, you know we have 5 seasons. If you didn't know, I'm gonna tell you about them. We have spring, summer, fall, Christmas, and winter. And think about it, honestly, that's your big 5, okay? And that's what I take the time to decorate for. Anything in between, we'll do a table or an honorable mention, you know, that's about it. So, hey, let's get going. I think you're gonna see real soon where I'm going on this thinking. And some of you cuties that were here last year, you saw last year's. And if you didn't, you new folks, you should check it out. Look at what that little side foodie shelf did for me. Oh man, I can't take it. Now, I got the shelf. I want to take 2 seconds and clean this mirror while I'm right here. So you can't say you never got to clean with me. And this is about it. Okay, from time to time, Angela can complain because I'm talking and my back's to the camera. She'll say, "What good is that?" So, you know, I got a teaser. I've wiped the big lanterns. That one, I noticed still had something on it. So, alrighty. I want to put a cute rose in here with this boxwood. And I want to turn it on for you. How do you do it without turning your back to the camera? I'm not sure. Angela's probably got it away. Here's a cute wax lemon candle I want to get in there. If I can figure out how to make it stay in there. Yeah. Okay. Nice and coordinated for summer. So we'll do this next one. You see how tall this is? I actually have to stand on the hearth to get up here. We'll put that on timer, get our full rose in, and a lemon. There we go. Just to give that different look for the season we're in. Okay. Now you saw vase arrangements. I'm not sure if you saw it yet or not. Here's one I made for the fireplace. So what's my theme this summer? Bright and white and lemony. Okay, yellow and cobalt blue. And there's a gorgeous bowl that I love to stand up in the cobalt blue. And even though I have a handful of dishes and I can do a little table, we don't have a ton of it. Boy, that reminds me, I might have to start looking for more of that. I don't want to go another season without using these jumping koi from our cute friend that sent them to us, Doy from Tennessee. Thanks, Doy. Here's your fish. Now I like to use a little blue and white again, but we're not going to be bombarded. We already used blue and white this year. I'm not going to repeat. I don't like that, mostly for a show, okay? You might have to repeat because of how many things you have or don't have. That's understandable. For us, it's not so understandable because we have a show and the idea is to show you something new. And that's what I want to do. Otherwise, I'm just making noise. Right? Look at this lemon plate. Huh. Now I'm trying to decide because I do have a huge one. Oh man, I don't know. It's so hard to decide. Let me see if I want to use the huge. I'll tell you, this thing looks good. And speaking of good, it came from Home Goods last year. You remember, oh, it's a dandy. Look at this. If they have them again, I think I do want to use it because of the size. Okay, and balance here. Okay, I'm looking at what I have. And you know, I got a bunch of swans. I used big lemon yellow there. I think I'm going to put a white one on this booty shelf and this cute. Where you going to go, guys? Lemony swan on that shelf. You remember 2 Christmases ago, if you've been with us, this one, I cannot just pull out. I got it close, but I want to say it right. Made in Italia by Bassano. This basket of lemons I had got Angela 2 Christmases ago. I thought it would look really good right now, right about there. What do you think? I'm going to counter that with this blue and white teapot. Now we're not going to, like I say, we're not going to have a lot of blue and white, but I think I want to get that in. And that's your gorgeous Bombay Imperial style pot right there. Loving that. I'm not sure that it needs to be out on the front ledge. So I'm going to put that back a little bit. Now, can you tell I need some dark cobalt blue again. And I need a couple of pieces, I think, definitely down here on the left. Hey, and for you new folks, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. You'll have fun here with all our wonderful YouTube family. Right here on my take on Home and Garden. Alrighty, now we gotta look at everything on the table that I might want to use. And I'm getting pretty happy with what we got so far. Now I think I need this beautiful Stag and Holly bowl by Fenton, full of lemons. Get some of that cobalt blue over on this end. Look at that. Looking for balance, color balance, and weight. So I think a darker plate at this end too to boost that up. Let's see. Get an idea of where we want it. Remove this whole thing. You know, I like things to overlap and give a real dimensional look. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm really liking that. What else we got? Real dark there. I'm looking for a particular bunch of flowers. And I want to put this cute summery can down here on the hearth for summer. I just can't put them up there empty. You know, after all the cute ones we had for spring. So I had to go chase down some florals that would work. Just some minis. Alrighty, where do I see that? I see it down here. And we're gonna be out on this ledge. And then I think I want to turn the lemony basket on a little angle like the bowl here. No matter what I do, I'll have some whiner say there's too much stuff on your mantle. If it was a 4x8 mantle, 4 foot by 8 foot, and you put 5 things on it, would it still be too much? Oh my goodness. Anyway, how about the cup and saucer from the Beals? Too cute, right? I thought that would look good up here with the teapot. Nice and eclectic and pretty. I think I want to get one more thing up there. Maybe 2. Maybe 2. Oh, this lemony picture. I just can't leave it out. You remember when I picked that up. Shuttle this around a little bit. Let's see what looks the best. Okay, I think that's better. 2 cobalts, 1. It might just be fab in the middle. Well, I think I've got it now. So, if I do, I can take you and show you all around.
A little different than all the rest. I'm quite old-fashioned where I had sometimes played chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling. But all complexions that I adore, so hard to find, they seem impossible to score. So I dream on to someday find that vintage love. I kept on looking, but everyone's such a bore. And out of a sudden, you came through the door. At the next table, your whiskey neat. The lights were dimmed as our eyes met and you saw me. And forevermore, I like to share that vintage dream. La di la di la di di di. La di la di la di 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 di. Your whiskey neat. The lights were dimmed as our eyes met and you saw me. And forevermore, I like to share that vintage dream. And forevermore, we're living in that vintage dream.
Now, folks, you know I could keep going all day, but Angela's on the clock, chomping at the bit to get this closed up. So, thanks for coming, everybody. Hope you had fun. Give us a like, a share, a comment if you liked it at all. And thanks, guys. Have fun, be happy. Summer's here. Get down to the beach. Get your bikinis on and your umbrella out. 8 or 80, you can still go to the beach. Take care, everybody. And we'll see you in the next awesome, over-the-top summer decor video.